Hey beauty lovers, Antonia here, and today I'm sharing something that's not only perfect for beauty professionals, but for anyone in need of a solid, versatile massage or lash bed. If you're in the beauty industry or just looking for a way to elevate your at-home beauty routine, this might just be the game changer you've been searching for. Let's talk about the Giantex 84-inch folding massage table lash bed. This portable, 3-section spa bed is designed for a variety of services, whether you're doing lashes, tattoos, physiotherapy, or even acupuncture. But we're diving deeper into the features that make this table stand out. So the first thing that caught my attention was the 3-section design. Unlike your typical 2-fold massage tables, this one offers an adjustable backrest with 10 different positions. This means you can fully customize the bed's angle to suit different needs, whether it's lying flat for a relaxation massage or sitting up for beauty treatments. This level of versatility is perfect for professionals who need to quickly adapt during a session. Whether you're working with clients who need a certain posture for treatment, or you're giving a lash lift, this feature is a real time saver. Moving on to its build quality, this bed is not only durable but built to last. It's made with a reinforced beech frame and includes anti-slip foot pads for extra stability. Plus, the support steel cables ensure it holds up well even with heavy use, supporting up to 485 pounds. This bed won't let you down during those busy workdays, which is especially important when you're using it in a professional setting. Now, I'm sure you're wondering how comfortable it really is for those long sessions. Well, it's padded with 2-inch thick high-density sponge and wrapped in durable PVC leather, making it both breathable and easy to maintain. Whether you're lying down for hours during a massage or sitting upright for a tattoo session, the soft yet firm cushion ensures comfort while maintaining professional-level support. One feature that stands out for me is the height-adjustable knobs. These are really useful because the bed can be adjusted between 24 inches and 34 inches. This makes it super convenient for different therapists to use, no matter their height, while also making sure clients are positioned comfortably. If you've ever used a massage bed where you're either hunched over or having to strain your back to reach the right height, you'll appreciate this adjustment feature. It's also worth mentioning that this bed is incredibly portable. The foldable design means it's easy to carry around, and it comes with a carrying case that even includes a side pocket for your oils and supplies. Though, of course, the oils and supplies are not included. With 3 lock catches, you won't have to worry about the bed folding up unexpectedly mid-session, and the included shoulder strap makes transport even easier. This is ideal if you need to bring the table from one location to another, whether that's to a client's home or to another part of your salon. As far as assembly goes, it's super simple. There's no need for additional tools. Just unfold the bed, install the adjustable headrest, facial cradle, and detachable armrests, and you're good to go. When you're not using it, it's easy to fold away for compact storage. Pros: versatile design. The 3-section feature and adjustable backrest allow for a variety of treatments. Durability. Reinforced beech frame and sturdy steel cables support up to 485 pounds. Comfort. High-density sponge padding and breathable PVC leather. Portability. Foldable, lightweight, and includes a carrying case with a shoulder strap. Height adjustment. 11 height positions make it suitable for therapists of different heights. Cons: not for everyday home use. While it's great for professional use, it may be a bit bulky if you're just looking for a bed for occasional treatments at home. Lack of extra storage compartments. It would have been nice to have a built-in storage section for oils or tools. Value for money. Considering the build quality, versatility, and portability, this massage bed is priced competitively for a professional-grade table. While it's not the cheapest on the market, the value you get from its durability and adjustability justifies the price, especially if you're using it regularly in a professional setting, in a professional alternatives. If you're looking for something at a lower price point but still functional, you could explore other adjustable massage tables with similar features. However, they might not offer the same level of durability or comfort. In comparison, the Giantex massage table is priced higher, but it stands out for its solid construction, adjustable features, and overall reliability. Final verdict: So, does the Giantex 84-inch folding massage table lash bed live up to the hype? Absolutely. Whether you're a beauty professional or just someone who enjoys high-quality, versatile equipment at home, this table ticks all the boxes. It's sturdy, adjustable, comfortable, and portable, making it perfect for a wide range of treatments. For professionals, it's a solid investment. If you're just starting or need a reliable bed for occasional use, this one could serve you well for years to come. Mid-review call to action. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried this bed, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear how it's worked for you. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.